The metperial multi-tool cuts safety harnesses, cuts vehicle seat belts and rope. If trapped in a vehicle after an accident, the centre punch can break the window to escape injury or death. The blade can strip electrical cord such as construction site repair or welding machine. Also further assisted with flat and Phillips screwdrivers, Allen keys and assortments of small wrench sizes in imperial and metric. The chisel part can cut electrical cord. The triangle hole in the centre is used for wire stripping small electrical wire and is threaded through the hole and placing the cord onto the foam gripping area to easily strip the wire from the plastic cord. The wood chisel part can be used for wood carving, hobbies, or DIY house maintainers to secure a door hinge by carving the countersink region in the wood to fit the door hinge. During camping or hiking, the wood chisel becomes a compact can opener. It is also an excellent bottle opener. Hose clamps are popular, especially on water pipes on vehicles. If water pipe bursts in a remote region, it may be shortened and placed back in the position which the multi-tool has flat Phillips screwdriver with a range of metric and imperial wrench sizes as demonstrated in the multi-tool, using 4 types of tools to undo one nut. Modern bicycles use mainly Allen key fixtures. I've been told by the bicycle repair shop that 90% sizes are 5mm and 4mm. The multi-tool also providing flat and Phillips screwdrivers for fine fixtures and metric and imperial wrenches for finer nuts. The 3-size spoke wrenches are made to automatically adjust to suit the USA, Europe and Asian countries. There is 2 small scallop regions under the chisel so it does not slip off the can edge while evenly opening the can lid, leaving no damage. Multi-tool is a small ruler with metric on one side and imperial measurements on the other side. The centre punch is also used as a scriber for marking out work in general engineering. The wrench sizes are made to fit odd-shaped nuts as well as metric and imperial nut sizes, also having very smooth, quick ratcheting action.
EDC Inc. is a beautifully designed series of ultra-portable writing instruments, designed to always be with you and ready when inspiration strikes. These go-everywhere pens are designed to be super compact and fit on your keychain without even noticing. EDC is the acronym for Everyday Carry and is a popular topic of discussion regarding the need to always be prepared. A pen is one of the most useful items to have with you at all times. EDC Inc. makes this easy with its simple, rugged, compact, go-everywhere design. From filling out forms to jotting down items on your to-do list, EDC Inc. allows you to always be ready, even without thinking about it. Like a meticulously crafted watch or handmade pocket knife, these precision machine writing implements are a joy to use and handle. As a designer, it's my job to come up with new ideas, and being ready to write them down or sketch a fleeting idea is crucially important. This need led me on a search for a pen that would always be with me and not a bother to remember or too big to carry. Nothing I found really suited my needs, so I decided to create my own perfect go-everywhere pen. The EDC ink pens are designed around the standard D1 refill This compact refill is available just about everywhere. I will be supplying these pens with my favorite refill to sketch with, the popular and amazing Pilot Hi-Tech C. It is ultra precise, smooth, and dries fast, which is perfect for us lefties. The refill is also very easy to replace, without the need for any special tools. EDC ink comes in two sizes. The smallest pen, and the one I carry, is the X1. At only 3¼ inches long, it virtually disappears on your keyring. While the X1 is a bit small for a lengthy writing or sketching session, it's perfect for capturing an idea or filling out a form. X2 is slightly longer, at almost 4 inches, and would be better for people with large hands that plan to do more writing or don't mind carrying a slightly longer pen. After creating these pens for myself, I began to receive interest from several people that saw them and wanted to know how they could get one. It takes me about 5 hours to make one of these pens, so I decided to design them for mass production and try to make them available to everyone that might be interested. Producing them in larger numbers will dramatically reduce the overall cost and allow volume discounts on raw materials as well as the ink refill. So that's why I'm here. I'm hoping there are a lot of people out there that love these pens as much as I do and are excited about this project. I really won't be able to do it without you. Thanks a lot for watching.
We decided to design a multi-tool that combines all of our favorite features into an ultra-low profile tool that we call the Titanium Pocket Tool. This new tool is made from aerospace grade 5 titanium alloy. Despite its minimal name and appearance, this new pocket tool is extremely versatile and lets us do more and carry less.